Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S come here with another reaction. Yeah. We're there. And today, guys, we are reacting to Vybz Kartel. Everybody bad till. You are break it down. I'm telling you something. Now the last Kartel song, we missed a whole heap of lines and people beat me in the comment section. A man say, yo, don't say Gaza again. You have to stop saying Gaza. Don't react to no more Kartel. I'm going to show you, say, I have what it takes to do what I'm doing. Big up DJ Palmer, a.k.a. Vybz Kartel, a.k.a. Real Boss, a.k.a. Teacher. Alright? So I'm going to show you so I can break down Kartel lyrics them. You understand? Watch it play. Watch what I go on now. Because I don't think there's some joke thing this. Watch it now. Ready? Let's go. We're going to pause a lot because we are breakdown. Remember we are breakdown, so we're going to pause a lot, eh?
Music. Everybody don't kill her now. Wow. Every man start villain now. Everybody don't kill her now. Wow.
So I'm starting to say, yo, every man turn killer now. This is what we see in the world nowadays. Especially in Jamaica. The man thinks them bad. Everybody think them a killer. Wait, watch it now.
Everybody bad till. Me and my friend them Rocky Khan and every dog have a rifle a bust it off.
First breakdown. Me nah miss nothing, you know. Me nah miss nothing. Take out this. The man say. Oh. Everybody bad till me and my friend them Rocky Khan. You see me? Then him say something else. I break it down, man.
Me and my friend
them Rocky Corner. Everybody bad until him and him friend them Rocky Corner. And every man have a rifle where him a par with. Every man have a rifle and him a bust it off. You understand? So on a slingshot, no. On a one pop, no. On a Glock, no. A rifle. Tall the man them a bust. You see? Let's go.
Everybody will turn up and get ugly up. Watch man as we sup and a blood up. Hey, what a drama.
Everybody will turn up. Everybody will turn up and get ugly up. You hear me I say? Everybody will turn up and get ugly up. So if them nice and come out in them nice clothes, it'll get blood up. You understand what I say? So don't think say yo, went we bust the corner and I shoot with rifle. Don't think say we a shoot off a God foot. No, we not shoot off on a God foot. You understand?
Hey, what a drama. Who survive still not escape the trauma. Mad boy, one girl, one chat, can't chat.
Even if you survive, the trauma where gonna leave on you, it's still gonna make you crazy. It's still gonna make you mad. Mad boy, mad girl. You see me? It's still gonna make you mad. That you need to know. Let's go.
One get knocked, guy ball get pop. Man get crippled up and now go walk from a play.
So the rifle shot them, I gonna lick you. The rifle shot them, I gonna lick you. You know. If you're not dead, it'll cripple you. You're not going to walk back. Doctor can't make you walk back. No 6 months, no 1 year can't make you walk back. That you need to know. Zin? Alright, let's go.
Kill one of them and play football. Killing them wanna buy food star.
So Warrior go on. And you so comfortable if you go and play football? Warrior go on and you so comfortable if you go and buy food? What kind of food you buy? Eh? Curry goat? Oxtail? Fried chicken? What kind of food you buy? Eh? Tripe and bean? What kind of food you buy? Eh? When Warrior go on, the best thing you do, you turn your bumbo cloth yard. Because anyway the man them hold you, them are gonna nine you. Just try to know that. Rifle shot gonna bust your spine, you know. Alright.
I wanna buy food star. 1 foot of shoes, but the other shoes gone. When Pro Box pull up is another fool gone.
Hold on. Me not miss nothing enough people because uno say me can break down Kartel lyrics. I'm gonna show you say me can break down Kartel lyrics.
Pro Box pull up is another fool gone.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You say something about shoes.
Pro Box pull up is another fool gone. Loose wall, kill one of them and play football. Killing them wanna buy food star. 1 foot of shoes, but the other shoes gone.
1 foot of shoes. Where the other shoes gone? That fly so far, you think say a drunk will come pick it up and it's gone with it. You see me? Yeah, the scene grimy. The scene grimy.
Pro Box pull up is another fool gone.
When the Pro Box pull up, is the next fool gone. So when you see the Pro Box are forward and think a taxi. No! And a taxi. A 2 or 3 or 4 killing that blood clot ready for come take your 3 pints. Thank you. You're welcome. See you in the next life. How that's the thing there. That video I got be quite long, you know, because maybe I show you so I can break down teacher lyrics to me, brother. Don't think say yo thing normal in the dog. Let's go.
Another leak out head out her neck. Piece up himself in dead and him rank. Your girl get heart attack, she kill herself.
After you get shot and piece up yourself and you get rank, your girl get heart attack, you know. And a gunshot kill her, you know. She get heart attack. And then as she kill herself. She kill herself. Just paint the picture there. Heart attack of a killer is not the gunshot and the trauma where she has see a killer. You see me? Yeah, let's go.
Think them did bad till the killer them chat. Think them did bad shit back. Think them did bad body back. Think them did bad to attack.
Them think them did bad. Them think them did bad. Yeah? Shit bag. Them think them did bad, body bag. Them think them did bad, to attack. What? It makes a double rhyme with this, so now the chorus, so. You understand? Let's go.
Think them did bad till the killer them chat. Think them did bad shit back. Think them did bad body back. Think them did bad to attack.
Yeah.
Should I listen when squaddy walk with ya? Your friend them a prison would they get up on the video?
You should have listen. When squaddy walk with you. You should have listen when you and your police friend them a par. And I tell you, listen, I have to go up on duty now. So listen, do not go up on the road because the man them want to kill you. Wait until me fall back off of duty, then we can go up on the road. You should have listened, but you never listen. See now your friend them get your picture, your video, pan for them phone in a prison. Your friend them get your little dirty stinking dead body. Pan the ground, stretch out. Like warp on mattress. I saw you stretch out. You understand? Yeah, right the side there. Let's go. Me left a hole in your head, Miggle. I saw we do it. Nobody now fi guess. I know wriggle this. Nobody now fi guess and spell out who do it. I know wriggle this. Oh!
That chat fi cut with squaddy when mad come for you. Never ending war evil that continue.
Hold on. You still hold on. Who still a chat? I fi cut with I fi cut with squaddy when mad come for you. So when time your body dead, anybody will still a chat. Them have to cut. When the police them pick up a body and I go away, them have to go away with the police then. Them can't stay upon the corner, them can't stay upon the end. Because them a chat. So we not trust them. So we not left no evidence, no case, no face, no witness. Everything get what? What is that? Me can't break down cartel lyrics? Oh no crazy? This is the thing. When you listen to a song, for the first time I make it play out, you're gonna miss all of the lyrics them. Well, most of the lyrics them when compared to cartel. But when you sit down and break down the lyrics them for people, you catch every line. This is what I'm doing now. I break down the lyrics them. And the first time I'm listening to this song, but I break down the lyrics them word for word. What else? I can't lie not tell me. Tell you now.
Devil no forgive all when God not send you. Now send you go even down a hell.
Let's go back from this again.
In war evil that continue. Our devil no forgive all when God not send you. Now send you go even down a hell where I bring you.
Never ending war, brother. It's a never ending war. This is in a brother. You see me? Our evil continue in the dog. Our evil have to continue in the brother. You see me? Our devil not forgive you. You see me? Yo, let me tell you this. When Kartel chat him lyrics them, it sound like it's a movie. It sound like it's a movie I watch, brother. Yeah? Our devil not forgive you. When God not seen you. You see me? Now send you go F in your dog. I don't got help me I bring you. Don't got help me I bring you, brother. Jesus Christ. Like, what's up?
And we like Luciana. Spend shell $10,000 by time.
One way like Luciana. Does Luciana have a song name one way? Me not sure. Me have to do my research for that one day. Does Luciana have a song name one way? Me not sure. You see me? So, on the way I talk, I say me can break down lyrics. Me a shame on the man.
And them call your mother. Boy burn up in a ball of fire and drown in your own blood.
Hold on,
Luciana spend shell $10,000 by time them call your mother. Boy
spend shell about $10,000. So when I say so, is he gonna fire $10,000 worth of shot by one person? If that be the case, you know, you turn strainer, you know. You turn strainer, try to know that. Jesus Christ, well, I'm gonna drink some water, man. Alright, into something about mother now. Me a part again.
She gonna spend shell $10,000. By time them call your mother, boy burn up in a ball of fire.
But by the time your mother reach on the scene, you burn up in a ball of fire. You burn up in a ball of fire by the time your mother. So when your mother reach, them don't know how lick you so hot. Them don't know how knock you. She can't identify her own son when she push out 9 months. What? Score.
And drown in your own blood, you know. Heartless man move like robot.
Drown in your own blood. So if you bleed from inside, you can drown in your own blood if you don't position yourself properly. So obviously, when you're up on the ground, you're going to drown in your own blood because it's going to be a pool of blood around you. You get it? Yes, dog.
Your face like hole in a donut. Tell about Kana, your heartless man move like robot. Hole in your face like hole in a donut. Tell about Kana, you still come and pose up like.
Man, so left a hole in your face like donut, brother. A hole I go left in your face like donut, me G. Me tell you about Kana. Me tell you about Kana, you still a pose up. Come on for the corner and go your yard. Go piss a gun in your bed. The street no make fear. When warrior go and turn in your bed. And even when you in your house, put your mattress on the ground for lie down pan. That's the thing there. I no joke, brother. I no joke, brother.
I clean clothes so the pussy them fall up. Oh, did I make tough chat get cool up?
Just like clean clothes so the pussy them fall up. You know when your mother wash your clothes or you wash your clothes or your wife wash your clothes or your woman wash your clothes. And she fold it up. Put it down nice and neat. And so you go fall up on the ground. But you not go clean. You go dirty, bloody and dead. And that's the thing there. Wanna say we can't read on Kartel lyrics? Lying. Let's go.
MK bands are louder than stone love. Dog when shots start back na your shirt. All the man pan the donkey chuck off and the polo.
Yo! All when shots start back in your shirt. All the man with the pan the donkey, pan the polo shirt. All the man with the pan the donkey, chuck off of that. Just imagine that. You know the polo logo, right? The man pan the heater, chuck off of that. Because the man don't want to get the shot. Jesus Christ.
Think them did bad to the killer them chat. Think them did bad shit back. Think them did bad body back. Think them did bad to attack. Think them did bad to the killer them chat. Think them did bad shit back. Think them did bad body back. Think them did bad to attack. Everybody turn killer now. Wow.
So, I just break on the Kartel song, yeah? Just for shame no foul no. Just for shame the negative ones them from the last one. Yes, I did miss a few lines. I did. But you, where I left negative comment in the comment section. If you listen to Kartel song one time and catch every line, you're a genius. Kudos to you. Not much of us can do it. That's why you have to listen to Kartel song and repeat with the blood clot there.
Everybody turn killer now. Wow.
I've listened to Kartel song and repeat. Everybody turn killer now. Yo, whoa. No joke. So I break it down full and show so I can break it down. How do you feel? Little earth or big earth? Kartel, big up yourself, my G. Big up the guys that phantom outside. You see me? Yeah, we're there. We're capable of breaking down any lyrics. When we stop it and pause it every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds and catch every line, we can interpret it for you now. We can break it down for you now. Sometimes we just make it run a bit. And when we make it run, we miss certain lines. We miss certain important lines. But if we pause it to every 10 seconds, you don't make me know if you don't want me to do that. If you don't want me to do that, we can do that pan every song. And catch all the lyrics them. But sometimes I want to forget something for yourself, don't leave it in the comment section. Make the comment section active. You understand? But I'm just a prove a point to you for sure to say I can do it. You understand? So this is how we're going to leave down. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please comment. Let me know. Gaza! Don't know. Big up on yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Peace.